Breakfast at the Waffle House, 20 sausage biscuits. Hold up, excuse me, man, what come on the sausage biscuit?
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Waka Flocka. I got a sneaker review today. Today I'll be reviewing the Allen Iverson, the Reebok OG colorway. The questions. Here you go. It's an unboxing, not really a review. And I'm gonna show you what you can wear with it. These joints come double lace, but I took mine out of the box already. Nice colorway. I'm gonna tie these joints up. Normally I don't tie my shoes, but these look, they need it. I got these from DTLR. Some of them are sold out, a lot of them are sold out, but you can probably still check online like eastbay.com. These flat or not? What you think?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Wear these going to like a mall or something. I won't recommend wearing these to a party, but icy bottom, red toe. I don't recommend this as an everyday shoe. It's like a back to school shoe if you want to wear it. Yes, these are dead stock. The tag is still on. Put this outfit together. I feel like a match, so you know. Buy these one time for one time. If y'all rocking with them, drop a fire emoji. If y'all don't want to mess with them, put the boo-boo emoji. On down, gone.
Alright, two things I forgot to mention. The retail price starts at $140 plus the tax, and this shoe is cut small, so you might want to go a size up. Thank me later.